How to export Instagram chat. So this will download and save your Instagram DMs to your device. So what you need to do for this, first of all, on your profile, click the top right hand corner where you see the three little lines. That's going to bring up where you can click your activity. Then you want to scroll down until you see the bottom section where it says download your information. Click on that. Then right here it should pop up something like this where you want to click on download or transfer information, the button in the middle. Then you want to click some of your information. You can also download all at the top if you want to, but if it's to some, go ahead and scroll down once you clicked on the some part until you see the section where it says messages. Go ahead and tick that, then click on next. Then you want to click download to your device and then click next and then click create files there. After that, it will take potentially a few minutes, so you can go out of Instagram then back into this section here where eventually at the bottom it will say available downloads. There you want to click on download once it's all loaded up, etc. Then you can click on that download. It should come up right here with a file when you open up your internet, and then click on download. It should open up with Safari and iOS, might be slightly similar, a different web browser on your device, especially if it's Android, but it will take a few seconds, a few minutes potentially to actually download that. But eventually you want to go into files on your device, then you'll see a zip file which has your Instagram name on it. You want to click on that, then in there you'll be able to find your messages, see your DMs within there. So that's how it's done. Leave a like on the video if it helps and subscribe for more helpful videos.